Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Coffee Chat. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emily. How are you all doing today? We hope you're having a wonderful day.
We're so happy you're here with us. You know, learning English takes time, but you're doing amazing.
That's right. Every time you listen to us, you're getting better. And today, we have something really special for you.
Yes, today we're going to learn some real phrases that English speakers use every single day.
These aren't phrases from textbooks. These are phrases that I use with my family, with my friends, at the coffee shop.
Exactly. These phrases will help you sound more natural in conversations, more like a native speaker.
And the best part? They're not difficult. They're simple and easy to remember.
And if you're new here, welcome to English Coffee Chat. We're so glad you found us.
Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more free English lessons for you.
Okay, Emily, I'm excited. Are you ready to start?
Absolutely. Let's jump right in.
So, Emily, let's start with the morning. What's the very first thing you say when you wake up?
Oh, good question. Well, when my alarm goes off at 6:30, I usually say, just 5 more minutes.
I say that every single morning, too. Just 5 more minutes.
This is a very, very common phrase. It means you want to sleep a little longer.
We all want more sleep, right? So we say, just 5 more minutes, please.
Let's practice together. Everyone, repeat after me. Just 5 more minutes.
Good job. Let's say it one more time. Just 5 more minutes.
Excellent. You sound great.
Now, after I finally get out of bed, I walk to the kitchen. My wife is already there, and she always asks, "What's for breakfast?"
What's for breakfast? This is such a simple question, but we use it every single day.
You can also say, "What's for lunch?" or "What's for dinner?" Same pattern.
Right. And when someone asks me this question, I usually answer, let's keep it simple.
Let's keep it simple. This means let's not make anything difficult or fancy. Let's do something easy.
Exactly. For example, my quick breakfast is just a banana and some yogurt. Very simple.
My breakfast is even simpler, just coffee and toast. That's it.
See, we both keep it simple in the morning. Now, let me give you another example. If your friend asks, should we cook a big dinner tonight? You can say, I'm tired. Let's keep it simple. How about pasta?
Perfect example. One more. Your classmate says, "Let's make a 20-page presentation." You can say, "Let's keep it simple. How about just 5 pages?"
Great. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat. Let's keep it simple.
Amazing! Again, let's keep it simple.
You're doing so well.
Okay, one more morning phrase. This one is really fun. When you're eating breakfast, maybe you're drinking your coffee, and someone asks, "How is it?" You can say, "It hits the spot."
It hits the spot. I love this phrase. It means this is exactly what I needed. It's perfect.
For example, "I was so tired and this coffee is hot and delicious. It really hits the spot."
Or imagine you're really hungry. You eat a sandwich and you say, this really hits the spot.
We usually use this phrase for food and drinks, like, "This cold water hits the spot on a hot day."
Or this soup is warm and tasty. It hits the spot.
Let's practice together. It hits the spot. Great. One more time. It hits the spot.
Amazing work, everyone.
Okay, now let's move to some phrases you can use during your day. These are super useful.
The first one is a phrase I use almost every day. Are you ready?
Yes, tell us.
I'm running late.
Oh yes, I'm running late. I say this all the time.
I'm running late means you don't have enough time. You might be late for work, for a meeting, or for a dinner with friends.
Exactly. For example, oh no, it's already 8:45. I'm running late.
Or you can send a text message to your friend. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
This phrase is very common. Americans say it, British people say it, everyone says it.
And here's a tip. We say running late, not walking late or going late. Always use running.
Good point. Let's practice together. I'm running late.
Nice. Again, I'm running late.
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker already.
Okay, here's another really useful phrase. I'll get back to you.
Yes, I'll get back to you. This is very polite and very professional.
It means I will answer you later. I need more time to think or to check something.
For example, your friend asks, "Can you help me move on Saturday?" You can say, let me check my schedule. I'll get back to you.
Or at work, your boss asks, can you finish this report by Friday? You say, let me see how much work I have. I'll get back to you this afternoon.
You can also say, "I'll get back to you tomorrow," or "I'll get back to you next week," just at the time.
This phrase is very useful because sometimes we don't know the answer right away. We need time.
Exactly. It's polite and natural. Let's practice. I'll get back to you.
Excellent. One more time. I'll get back to you.
Great job.
Now, this next phrase is probably my favorite. Emily, do you know which one I'm thinking of?
Is it "no worries"?
Yes, no worries.
I love this phrase too. I probably use it 20 times every day.
Me too. No worries means don't worry, it's okay, no problem, everything is fine.
It's a very friendly and relaxed phrase. For example, your friend says, "Sorry I'm late." You smile and say, "No worries. I just got here too."
Or someone bumps into you on the street and says, oh, sorry. You say, no worries, have a good day.
Or your coworker says, "Thanks for helping me with that project." You can say, "No worries. Happy to help."
In British English, people also say no worries a lot. In American English, we sometimes say no problem or no worries. Both are good.
That's true. They mean the same thing. Let's practice. No worries.
Wonderful. Again, no worries.
You're all doing fantastic.
Okay, we have a few more phrases for you. These are phrases for conversations.
Yes, sometimes when you're talking with someone, you need good phrases to keep the conversation going.
The first one is, that makes sense.
That makes sense. This means, I understand. That's logical. I agree with you.
For example, your friend says, I'm tired today because I didn't sleep well last night. You can say, oh, that makes sense.
Or your teacher explains something and you understand it. You can say, okay, that makes sense now. Thank you.
This is a very positive phrase. It shows you're listening and you understand.
Let's practice. That makes sense.
Good. One more time. That makes sense.
Perfect. Here's another conversation phrase. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. This is simple but so useful. It means I don't know, I'm not certain, maybe yes, maybe no.
For example, your friend asks, "Do you want to go to the movies tonight?" You can say, "I'm not sure. Let me check if I'm free."
Or someone asks, is the store open on Sunday? You say, I'm not sure. Let me look it up online.
It's honest and natural. You don't always have to know everything.
Exactly. Let's say it together. I'm not sure.
Great. Again, I'm not sure.
Excellent work.
Last phrase for today. This one is very common. Sounds good.
Sounds good. I love this phrase because it's short, easy, and friendly.
It means yes, I agree, that's a good idea, okay.
For example, your friend says, let's meet at the cafe at 3 p.m. You say, sounds good. See you there.
Or your coworker says, "Let's have lunch together tomorrow." You say, "Sounds good."
You can also say, sounds great. Same meaning, just a little more enthusiastic.
Right, sounds good or sounds great. Both are perfect.
Let's practice. Sounds good.
Nice. One more time. Sounds good.
Amazing.
Wow, we learned so many phrases today. Jack, should we do a quick recap?
Yes, let's review everything. Emily, what did we learn today?
We learned 9 really useful phrases. Let me list them.
Number 1, just 5 more minutes when you want to sleep longer.
Number 2, let's keep it simple when you want something easy.
Number 3, it hits the spot when something is exactly what you needed.
Number 4, I'm running late when you don't have enough time.
Number 5, I'll get back to you when you need time before answering.
Number 6, no worries when you want to say, "It's okay, no problem."
Number 7, that makes sense when you understand something.
Number 8, I'm not sure when you don't know the answer.
And number 9, sounds good when you agree with someone.
9 phrases? That's incredible! You all learned so much today.
Now, let's practice one more time. I'll say the situation and you say the phrase out loud. Ready?
Situation 1. Your alarm goes off. You're still sleepy. What do you say?
Just 5 more minutes.
Perfect. Situation 2. You don't have enough time. You might be late. What do you say?
I'm running late.
Excellent. Situation 3. Your friend says, "Thanks for your help." What do you say?
No worries.
Great. Last one. Your friend says, "Let's have coffee tomorrow at 10 a.m." What do you say?
Sounds good.
Amazing job, everyone. Wow, you all did so well today. I'm really proud of you.
You're improving already. And remember, the best way to learn these phrases is to practice them in real life.
That's right. This week, try to use 1 or 2 phrases. Say them out loud when you're alone. Practice with your friends or your language partners.
And here's a little homework for you. Pick your favorite phrase from today and use it 3 times this week.
Great idea. And now we have a fun question for you.
Here it is. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you check your phone, make coffee, take a shower, brush your teeth? We really want to know.
Leave your answer in the comments below. We love reading your comments and learning about your lives.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like. It really helps other learners find our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Coffee Chat so you never miss a new lesson.
We make new episodes every week, and we have so many more phrases to teach you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. You're part of our English Coffee Chat family now.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you can do this.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful day.